Hello, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes English Story Every Day. Today we are going to learn listening English through story. The Uber driver. My name is Jack, and I am an Uber driver. Every day I wake up early in the morning. The sky is still dark and the streets are quiet. I drink a cup of coffee, eat a quick breakfast, and check my phone. I open the Uber app and get ready for work. My car is clean and smells fresh. I always make sure my passengers feel comfortable. The first ride of the day appears on my screen. I accept it and drive to pick up the passenger. It's a young woman going to work. She looks sleepy, so I greet her with a smile. "Good morning, off to work?" I ask. She nods and yawns. "Yes, it's too early," she says. I turn on soft music and drive smoothly. When we arrive, she thanks me and hurries into her office. A few minutes later, I get another request. It's an old man. He gets into the car slowly and smiles. "Good morning, young man," he says. "I have a doctor's appointment." I start driving and he begins to talk. He tells me about his grandchildren and how he used to be a taxi driver. I enjoy listening to his stories. When we arrive, I help him out of the car. He thanks me and wishes me a good day. Later in the morning, I pick up a businessman. He is busy on his phone, talking about meetings and deals. He doesn't say much to me, but that's okay. Some people like to talk, some don't. When we reach his destination, he rushes out quickly. A few minutes later, I hear a beep from the Uber app. It's a message. "My wallet, I left it in your car." I check the back seat and there it is, a black leather wallet. I quickly call the passenger and tell him I will bring it back. When I arrive, he looks very happy. "Thank you so much," he says. "You saved my day." I smile and say, "No problem. Have a great day." In the evening, I pick up different kinds of passengers. Some are tired after work. Some are excited to go out with friends. The most interesting rides happen at night. Around 10 p.m., I get a request from a bar. When I arrive, 3 men get in. They are laughing and singing loudly. They have had a lot to drink. One of them says, "Driver, you're our best friend tonight." I smile and say, "Where are we going, gentlemen?" They tell me the address, and I start driving. They continue singing, and one man starts telling funny stories. I laugh along with them. Even though they are drunk, they are friendly. When we reach their place, they thank me and say, "You're the best Uber driver ever." Finally, after a long day, I decide to go home. I park my car, stretch my arms, and check my earnings for the day. It was a good day. I met many different people, had fun conversations, and even helped someone. Being an Uber driver is not just about driving. It's about meeting people, hearing stories, and making someone's day better. I smile, take a deep breath, and get ready for another day tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.